Good morning, everyone. My name is Nupam Chaudhary, and welcome back to our Rural and Microfinance Hub. Today, we are going to discuss about an important topic of the microfinance, that is the challenges of the financial inclusion in microfinance, rural and microfinance. Financial inclusion is basically providing the affordable financial services like branding, then sometimes of digital payments like credit insurance to everyone, especially rural and low income people. For example, for a government initiatives like Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana have opened millions of accounts through the this financial inclusion. But opening an account is not enough. We already know about that. The real challenge is the how we usage the access. Today we are going to discuss about the four major challenges aspects of that financial inclusion. First one is the digital drive. You can see in the screen, digital drive. Second one is the low literacy, and third one is the dormant accounts, and obviously the last one is the trust deficit. Let's start about the what is the digital divide. The digital divide is the challenges that have the gap between people who have access to digital technology and those who don't have. In rural areas, like where the internet is very weak, then the smartphones are not affordable for everyone. Many people still basic features phones. For example, if let's say a farmer in a remote village, he does not know how to use UPI because there is no proper network, and he does not know how to operate a smartphone, and he also fears online fraud. So even though India has a platform like unified payment interface, rural adoption is still uneven. So according my question, all of you is how can digital finance grow without digital infrastructure? So the second major challenges is that the low literacy rate in rural areas. Especially for can many rural people cannot read bank forms, don't understand the interest rates, cannot differentiate between savings and credit products. So imagine, let's say example, imagine a woman who wants to take a loan. She may not understand what is compound interest, what happens if EMI is delayed, what are the hidden charges, right? So organizations like National Bank for Agriculture, NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, promote especially for a group, special help groups, to improve awareness. So what is the specially self-help groups? A group that has formed for particularly those who don't know, don't have the access of this type of things, or in rural areas, people what they might faces challenges. So like there's how to read when someone going to the bank and take an interest loan. So obviously they don't know how to fill a form because of the literacy rate is obviously low there. So self-help groups, this type of groups where they help people to understand how they develop, how they improve this type of awareness. Third point is the dormant accounts. Under the Pradhan Mantri Yojana, Jan Dhan Yojana, millions of accounts has been created. We already know about that. But many accounts, you know that many accounts are inactive. Why? No regular income, no awareness of benefits, long distance to bank branches, complex procedures. Opening accounts increase numbers, but usage increase impact. Financial inclusion should not be about statistics. It should be about in transformation, right? So my last point is that trust deficit. Moving to the next slide, it's basically a content space. The last slide is basically the overall understanding of everything. And the fourth challenge is the trust deficit. Like many rural people fear about the bank fraud, hidden charges, losing money, scams. But when someone in a village loses money due to OTP fraud, the entire community becomes afraid of digital bank. So microfinance institutions and banks must build this type of trust through transparency, local language communication, their doorstep banking, and regular awarenesses programs. Trust is the foundation of the financial inclusion. So microfinance institutions play a key role in rural development through small collateral free loans, SHG model, self-help group model, peer monitoring, and group lending. They reduced entry barriers for entrepreneurship. Microfinance is not just about the credit, it's all about the empowerment. So, overall conclusion, if I say, if the rural India becomes the financial empowered, poverty will obviously be reduced, entrepreneurship will increase, women empowerment will grow, and rural economy will become stronger. So that's all about these challenges of the financial institution. And here I end my topic about this particular thing. Thank you.